So Wesley barfed on his first truck book, and we just found this one in on our bookshelf. He's so excited he's even reading it upside down, which he rarely does. All right, turn around, turn around. Read it again. What's in there, Wesley? What's in there? He's so excited. He was actually in the bookshelf, as you can see. He was so excited. He saw that he was standing on it and started bouncing, so he pulled it out. What do you see? Do you like that book? This may keep him occupied all afternoon. Doesn't have quite as many pictures as his other truck book, but the pictures are really awesome in this one. Wesley, look at that. Look at that big fire truck. Oh my goodness. Well, Merry Christmas to us, finding a good truck book. Wesley, do you like your trucks?